How to allow multiple response in Google Forms. Hi everybody, if you're wanting to do that, you can follow the steps. So for that, you can open up your Google Forms, any of the form from the Google Form in which you want the multiple responses. For example, this. Once you reach over there at the top, you should be finding responses tab. Right now I have one. So if you want to make more than one response in one question, you can head over the settings right beside it, and here you will be finding responses option. So go ahead and drop it down, and from here you should be finding an option that says limit to one response with a toggle option. All you gotta do is turn this option off and save the changes, and that will give you other people the chance of multiple response on the forms. So that is how you do it basically. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.